the projects which have high social impact and which have low IRR, they are taken in the, they are provided the grant in aid under Sagarmala program. And we provide around 50%, up to 50% of funding for the Sagarmala program for the state and the major ports, and 100% for the UT. And recently in GMIS, Maritime Amrit Kal 2047 is launched with various initiatives. It has included around 300 plus initiatives. Few of them are just an extension of the MIV 2030, and few are quite new one, based on our focus area and where we want to excel in future. So with these initiatives like the Gati Shakti, PM Gati Shakti, then Sagarmala, MIV 2030, 2047, we poised to be the global leader in the Indian global maritime sector, and we are working hard towards it.